Closing a financial period in AP. We're going to close a financial period in the Accounts Payable subledger. To begin with, go to the Payables workspace and open the Close Financial Periods form. Then, make sure the correct company or business name is appearing in this field and the action appears as close. The start year is specified. If required, change the ending year. In this example, we'll go ahead with the default value in this field. In the table, select the checkbox for the financial period that you need to close. The checkboxes for all the preceding periods are selected automatically and will also be closed. Now click the Unreleased Documents tab to review if there are any unreleased documents in the selected periods. If unreleased documents exist in the system, the Unreleased AP Documents report opens in a pop-up window. In this report, click the reference number links to open the documents and either release them or reassign them to another financial period. If no unreleased documents exist, the system displays an appropriate message. Once no unreleased documents exist for the financial period, click the Process button. Review the data generated and then click the Close button. Now, the selected financial period and all the preceding periods are closed in the system.